Welcome to Creative Kushi. Here we explore the world of creativity with a touch of joy and inspiration. Join me on this artistic journey as we dive into DIY projects, crafts, and more. Let's create something wonderful together. Draw a flower outline on paper. Mold wire to flow along the flower outline, creating a half flower shape. Repeat the process to create a second half flower shape. Paste the molded wire onto OHP sheet with glue. Ensure that the glue is easily removable after drying. Pour resin onto the wire, covering the entire half flower shape. Add flowers randomly onto the resin-covered wire. Pour resin again to cover all the flowers and ensure they are securely in place. Leave the earrings to dry completely. After the resin has dried, carefully remove the earrings from the OHP sheet, removing excess glue from wire. Since Fevicol is easily removed from the wire, gently remove any excess glue from the wire to reveal the clean, finished earring. After the first layer of resin has dried, apply a second layer of resin for a glossy finish. Once the second layer of resin has dried, glue earring studs onto the back side of the flower using hard glue. Your beautiful resin half flower stud earrings are now ready to wear and enjoy. These earrings are not only a unique piece of jewelry, but also a stunning work of art that showcases your creativity and craftsmanship. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Creative Kushi for more creative ideas and DIY tutorials. Stay tuned for our next project.